Today we will discuss, children, about the distribution of profit among partners, and for that we have to prepare one more account that is known as the profit and loss appropriation account. You know very well about the one of the account that is known as the profit and loss account, but when we are preparing the account for the firm, we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profits. In sole tradership, profit and loss appropriation account is no need to prepare because it is the account which show the distribution of profit. Whereas because in the sole tradership business only one person is the owner, so he is the sole recipient of the profit, or if there is a loss he has to bear the loss. So no need to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account in case of sole tradership, but in case of partnership business it is necessary to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profit. Now see the children, specimen of the profit and loss appropriation account. So first see the nature of this account. The nature of this account is a nominal account. So again the rule of the nominal account: debit all expenses and losses and credit all incomes and gain. So from business point of view, if there is an expense or loss, it will be debited to the profit and loss appropriation account. If there is an income from the business point of view, then it will be credited to the profit and loss appropriation account. So first see at the credit side, if there is a net profit shown by the profit and loss account, first of all it will be transferred to the credit to the profit and loss appropriation account. And then interest on drawing, if there is a provision in the partnership with that if partner withdraw the drawing made by the partner, he or she has to pay the interest on that drawing. So this is an income for a business, so it will be credited to the profit and loss appropriation account. And then on the debit side, if in place of net profit there may be a net loss will be transferred to the debit of profit and loss appropriation account. Then next item is the interest on capital. If there is a provision in the partnership deed to provide the interest on partner's capital, then it is an expense for a business, so it will be debited to the profit and loss appropriation account. Then again provision for salary to partners, commission to partners, transfer to reserve, again these are all the expenses for a business, so it will be debited to the profit and loss appropriation account. And then at last, as we do commonly, we will find out the total of the debit side and credit side. So if the credit side total exceed the debit side total, the balancing figure will be divisible profit, that is equal to the net profit, and that will be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio. If profit sharing ratio is not giving, then it will be distributed in equal ratio. If the situation is reverse, means the total of debit side exceeds the total of credit side, that is expenses side more than the income side, then there is a loss, and this is a divisible loss, and again it will be shared by the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Then children, what are the journal entry will be passed at the time of preparation of the profit and loss appropriation account in the different situation. First of all, as I told you earlier, that if there is a profit and loss, that's a net profit shown by the profit and loss account, it will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account to the credit side, because the net profit has a credit balance, so it will be transferred to the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Journal entry will be profit and loss account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. And if there may be a net loss, the net loss again has to be transferred to the profit and loss account, and in case profit and loss appropriation account will be debited to profit and loss account. Then various appropriation of the profit, that is salary, commission, interest on capital, like that, if it is given, then these are all expenses for a business. So partner's salary or commission account will be debited to partner's capital account and current account. I will tell you later on why this capital account, current account is given here. So partner's salary or commission account will be debited, being an expense for a business, and partner's capital current account has been credited because the liability of the business has been increasing. And then partner's salary commission account will be closed by transfer their balance to the profit and loss appropriation account. So next entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debited to partner's salaries or commission account. Then allowing interest on capital. It will also recorded at the same line of action as we have done in the case of salaries or commission. Interest on capital is again for a expense for a business, so it will be debited and partner's capital current account because the increasing or liability of the firm increase, so it will be credited. And again, it will be closed by transfer to the balance of interest on capital to the profit and loss appropriation account. So entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debited to interest on capital account. Then next item is the interest on drawing. If there is a provision in the partnership deed to charge interest on partner's drawing, now children, it is an income for a business. So partner's capital and current account will be debited to interest on drawing account, and then interest on drawing amount will be transferred or closed by transferring their balance to the profit and loss appropriation account. So interest on drawing account debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Then the reserve, if firm want to keep certain part of the profit in the form of reserve, so if there is a provision or any direction for that, so that part of the profit will be transferred to the reserve, and for that profit and loss appropriation account debited to reserve account. After that, as we have done earlier, we will see the credit balance or debit balance. If credit balance more than the debit balance, it means it's a income or a credit balance. So it is known as a divisible profit, and divisible profit, distributable profit, will be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and for that entry will be profit and loss appropriation account debited to partners capital or current account. If there is maybe a situation reverse means debit side exceed the credit side, that's the expense side increase the credit side, so there is a loss, and loss again will be debited to the partners capital or current account in their profit sharing ratio. Now children, see the features of profit and loss appropriation account. It is an extension of the profit and loss account. It is not a separate account, it is a part of the profit and loss account. It is prepared by the partnership firm. It shows the appropriation of net profit or loss for the accounting period, and the nature of the profit and loss appropriation account is of nominal account. Now children, see the difference between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account in the form of table. So first basis of difference is the stage of preparation. Profit and loss account, how it is prepared. What you know very well, children, you have prepared the trading account, and the balance of the trading account, that's a gross profit or gross loss, is transferred to the profit and loss account. And profit and loss appropriation, the balance of profit and loss account, that is the net profit or net loss, is transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. Then second is the object. What is the object? To prepare the profit and loss account. To prepare the profit and loss account, to find out the net profit or net loss. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared to show the appropriation of profit in the form of interest on capital, sale or commission to a partners. Nature of items. It is debited with the expenses, that's a charge against the profit. Charge against the profit. All the items will be debited in the profit and loss account. In a profit and loss appropriation account, all the items of appropriation of profit, which is only adjusted against the profit, not against the losses, will be shown here as interest on capital, sale, commission to the partners. Partnership deed or agreement. Profit and loss account is not prepared according to the partnership deed or agreement. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared according to the partnership deed or partnership agreement. Matching principle. Concept of matching principle is applied in case of profit and loss account, whereas it is not applied in case of profit and loss appropriation account. Thank you, children.